hit play.
Yeah,
You hit the red button. There was a play button right beside it.
Good
Playing
gosh.
Well, that's 2 videos.
That's okay. I'll just record them both. Hey, make sure you can see the screen. All right, so I got -1. Now what do? Divide by 2. So I got -1/2 or -0.5. You got to draw a vertical line at -1/2. Right here. That's in between 0 and -1. Everybody draw a vertical line in between 0 and -1 with a color. All right, let's do the HA. All right, we discussed this on the last problem. What do you have to do when the top has an X and the bottom has an X? You divide. Good. So it'll be 2. Y equals 2. So you guys need a horizontal line at 2. Okay, so now let's pick 4 numbers to plug in. 2 on the left is -1 and -2. 2 on the right, I'm going to plug in 0 and 1. Now, you don't have to plug in the exact same numbers I'm plugging in. You could have plugged in, instead of 0 and 1 on the right, you can plug in 1 and 2. All right, plug them in. Let's see what you get. Fisher, did you plug in the same numbers I plugged in?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I check it? 0, 0. Get 4. Care if I write something in text? That one's good.
Few more fractions. I had to
1 up 4. That was good. Your first 3 are good.
Oh, you're going to do 4 and put the -1. 2.
work where I got fractions, so I had to do it.
Yeah. That's where you messed up. -2 up 2.6. -2 up 2.6 is right there.
Oh, up.
Yeah, you went down.
Sorry, technically.
You good?
Huh?
You good? Let's see how you did. 4 times -2 and -2 plus 2. It's going to be 2 times -2 plus 1. All right, let's go over y'all's 4 numbers we got right here. If you plug in -1, what did y'all get? Just give me the answer if y'all plugged in -1. Is it 4? Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so -1 up 4 is right here. All right, what about if you plug in -2? That's going to be -2, -4 plus 1. All right, that's going to be a decimal. I think it was 2.6. Is that right?
2.7.
2.7, that doesn't matter. -2 up 2.6. All right, so there's my first curve right there on the left side. All right, if you plug in 0, I know it's going to be 0. And if you plug in 1, I get 4 on top over 3, which is 1.3. Over 1 up 1.3. All right, those are your curves. So it's going to make it easier if you'll make them decimals so you can graph them. That's still recording. Okay, read your instructions above number 11. It tells you what kind of problem it is. It's a line with a hole. So go back and look at number 4. That means number 11 is going to be just like number 4. All right, so how did we do number 4? You got to factor the top.
Positive and -3.
Good, Fisher. 11 to factor is easier because it's a difference of squares. Adam says +3 and -3. So that one is supposed to be an easier factor. All right, so look and see which one crosses out on top and bottom. Trey, I can cross out x plus 3 and x plus 3. Mark them out. Bring down the one that you didn't cross out. Now, you guys graph that by rise over run, put some dots on there, and then we'll figure out where the hole is. All right, so we go to -3 to start, up 1 over 1. All right, does everybody agree that's what your line looks like? Now, where does the hole come from? The hole comes from the one you marked out. Well, if I marked out x plus 3 and I move it over, that means the hole's got to be at -3. -1, 2, 3, follow it down, there's your hole. All right, question. All right, last one, then we'll have a bathroom break. Let's do number 10. All right, this is the most recent graph we did last week. Guys, I'll go ahead and let you know there's one of these on the quiz. I'm going to throw it out. We haven't done this enough for y'all to be quizzed over this. So this won't be on the quiz. Now, this will be on Thursday's test, though. So we do have to learn how to do it. All right, you've got 3 separate problems. All right, let's graph the first one by rise over run. Where do I go to start it? I go up 4. Everybody go up 4, put a point. Remember, you're going to have to erase half the line, so you might want to draw very, very lightly the first time so you can erase. All right, these are called piecewise. You got piecewise functions because we're only going to show a piece of the graph, not the whole thing. This part right here shows you what they want to keep. So I need y'all to go to negative. Well, hold on. First of all, let's graph the line. I'm getting ahead of myself. What's the rise over run? 1. Yeah. So we're going to have all these dots up 1 over 1. And then we'll figure out which side to keep and which side we got to erase. Okay, now this part shows you what you got to keep. What do? I put an open circle at -2. So let's do that. -2 open circle right there. And really we should erase the dot that's on the inside of the circle. Everybody good with that part? All right, now do we keep the right side of the circle or the left side of the circle? What's it tell us?
Left.
Right side. Hold on. Fisher is pointing to the right.
Right.
Yep, so we keep the right side of the circle. Erase the left side of the circle. And that's how you do this problem. You do that for all 3 graphs. All right, watch on the second part. What kind of shape is this going to make? Didn't we have this on number 1, 1, 2, and 3? Check them. Yeah. That's going to make a V. Everybody should know that. You're going to have a V if y'all just want to watch me do this one. The V is going to go there, and it's going to go here. All right, now, which part do we keep? Well, this tells you right here. They want an open circle at -2 and an open circle at +2, and you keep in between. So, open circle at -2 is already there. Open circle at +2 is right there. Draw the line in between. And that's the second part. You guys try the blue one. Try the last one. Start at +4, just like we did on the green one. Make a point. Probably already got a point there. All right, so we go up 4. There's already a point there. What's my rise over run on this one? It's negative 1, so I don't go up 1 over 1, I go down 1 over 1. Point, 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 point. All right, so now which part do we keep on this one? Did I write that down correctly?
Yeah, no.
No, it's supposed to be on the 4.
You didn't put the line.
All right, hold up. Let me see what I did wrong. It's negative. Okay, all right, so what I do?
You
You
didn't
wrote
put
it
it
at
in
2,
four.
not
You
4.
put it at 2. The line. We did the line.
Oh, sorry. Gotcha. I got you. All right, that's the last mistake I made. All right, let's try it again. It says at 4. I don't know why I didn't go to 4. We'll go down 1 over 1. Boom, boom, boom. How about now? All right, so now it says go to 2, which is right here, open circle, and draw your line to the right. Erase everything on the left. So I don't think we need to have that on the quiz. I got one on the quiz. We'll just mark it out. All right, but everything else on this sheet is on your quiz after break. Let's take a 5-minute break. We'll come back and we'll get started.
Did you get paper?
Yep, Fisher.